Right, J's of Vegas, yeah, we do love a J and a Vega. We've been busy working on a barrel kit. Basically, it's a 140 kit. Yeah, 135, 140 kit. Plug and play kit, but quite simple. It's like 15 brake, 12, 15 brake. That's come on really, really well. Small reed valve. We just got to check for the exhaust. We just want to make sure the exhaust fits. We've done it so to take a standard exhaust, so people are not obliged to go and buy another exhaust. We're very, very conscious of the fact that some people can't afford to buy everything. So if you make the parts fit everything, then that's what we'll go for. We're looking at carburetors at the moment, make something small but peaky, so make it it's got good power. We want to have an alternative to the Casa 75 basically. Casa 75 is a good little kit, but it doesn't produce the power that a Vega 75 produces. So there's definitely a market there, and we're working on that. And what he does here, when his program eventually comes up, this is, what's this, Lawrence?
Cilindro nuovo per la J.
Right, this is the J range barrel. This is the J range of Vega barrel, the 140 barrel. Basically, they design it, and once they've designed it, they do the ports, and then we go and then print that off, and it goes from the drawing to, he says, here's one I made earlier. Well, that's it. That then gets bolted to the frame, the engine, whatever. We test it for clearances, heights. We can actually make a plastic piston as well. So we check the piston. This uses a piston which is just a commonly produced piston. We check the heights. Once we're happy, we go and produce it. It's that simple. Simple. This will have, the ports on this will actually be closed over. They'll be partially obstructed, and then there'll be a lip, and they just open out. So if you want to weld your casings, you can. But that's it. That's the Vega 140 barrel by Casa Performance.